What I like really about working for Lifesteps is the camaraderie that we have with the leadership team. The leadership team takes the spotlight off of themselves and empowers not only myself, but all the people that work there to be great. And we strive for excellence here at Lifesteps. So empowering our core values of empowering people to be great with the gifts and talents that they have, it makes me fundamentally understand why I love to work for Lifesteps.
What I like about working at Lifesteps is, I don't know, it's just wonderful that I know that I'm there to make a difference every day. You know, every morning you walk in that door and you see all of those little faces, and that's what really gets to me the most.
I love that we can work with individuals and see them blossom and grow through our programming. I love that we have hands-on programming, going out into the community and really showing them realistically how to do a job. Rather than telling them, we show them with our partners, and that it's just the most beneficial thing, I think.